Attention, WhatsApp users! A new feature is coming. You will soon be able to add photo stickers to your status. Photos from your gallery turned into fun, customizable stickers. Here's how it works. First, open WhatsApp and head over to the status section, just like you normally do when you want to post something. From there, you can either choose a photo or video from your gallery, or take a new one using your camera to set as your status. Once you've selected your image or video, look at the top of the screen and tap on the sticker icon. After tapping the sticker icon, you will see New Photo option. Tap on it, and you'll be able to select an additional image from your gallery that you want to use as a photo sticker on your status. Once the photo appears as a sticker, you'll have the option to shape it into different forms like a square, rectangle, circle, heart, star, or even more unique shapes, depending on what suits your style. You can also resize the sticker using pinch to zoom gestures and drag it to place it anywhere on your status image or video. The best part? You're not limited to just one photo sticker. You can add multiple photo stickers to the same status. This opens up tons of creative possibilities like creating collage, highlighting moments, or just making your status more fun and engaging. And don't worry if you accidentally add the wrong photo. Removing it is easy. Just tap and hold the sticker you want to remove, then drag it to the top left corner of the screen where a trash or delete icon will appear. Drop it there, and it will be deleted from your status. Once you've finished adding your stickers and are happy with how your status looks, tap the button to post your status.